A Pot of Pennies, Math Lesson 1 for Grade 1. For this lesson, your objectives are going to be to identify the value of a penny, nickel, dime, and quarter. You're going to use addition to determine the value of coin combinations, pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters with sums within 100. Notice on the page you have a picture of a penny, a nickel, a dime, and a quarter that you can reference for their value. Today, our standards that we are going to be concentrating on is MAFS 1 and D 2A. This is to identify and combine values of money in cents up to $1 working with a single unit of currency. Identify the value of coins, pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. That means to learn how much each is worth. For this lesson, our students should have prior knowledge of single and double-digit addition with sums up to 100. Now, why is it important to know the value of coins? Well, you need to know the amount of money you have in order to buy the things you want or need. Let's look at the first item. What is the value of a penny? 1 cent, just like saying the number 1. Well, what is the value of a nickel? 5 cents. What's the value of the dime? 10 cents. And what is the value of a quarter? 25 cents. Different ways to count coins. If the value of a nickel is 5, what is a quicker way to count multiple nickels? Well, you can count by fives, of course. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So we have 6 nickels equals 30 cents, or 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 30. Well, if the value of a dime is 10, what would a quicker way to count multiple dimes be? I know. Count by tens. Let's do that together. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Oh, so 10 dimes makes $1 or 100 cents. Great job. Now let's look at some excerpts from the book, The Coin Counting Book by Roseanne Williams. 1 penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 4. What will we get when we add just one more? Let's think on that. Well, we have 4 pennies. How can I figure out how many one more would be? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Oh, that's 5. Well, that's the same as 1 penny, 2 pennies, 3 pennies, 4, and one more would give me 5. But wait, there's a coin that equals 5 cents. That's right, a nickel. So 5 pennies is the same as 1 nickel. Let's count our 5 pennies just one more time. If we add 5 more pennies, we'll have a dime. Oh, that's right, a dime equals 10 cents. Well, let's look at our pennies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we added 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pennies equals 1 dime. That's the same as saying 1 plus 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 1 and one more. That would equal 10, as the same as saying 5 plus 5 equals 10. So 10 pennies equals a dime and 2 nickels equal a dime. A few ways you can work at home. Gather some change, some pennies, some nickels, some dimes, and quarters. Get a piece of paper and a pencil you can write with. Grab 2 random coins out of the pile. Place them on your paper. Next, use those coins to make an addition sentence and add them together. Oh, look, I grabbed a nickel out of my pile and a dime. A nickel's 5 cents and a dime is 10. 5 plus 10 is 15. So I have 15 cents. You guys try at home. Once you've tried that, I want you to next try to use your coins to add up to 25 cents. You can use a combination of dimes, nickels, pennies, all just to equal to 25 cents, and write your addition sentence to match. Once you've accomplished that, now you can use your coins to build $1. I wonder how many different ways you can create 100 cents. Oh, I know. You could use quarters, dimes, nickels, pennies in an array or an assortment. Or you could use just one particular coin, like all pennies or all nickels or all dimes. There's so many different ways that you can use addition to build up to $1. Remember, $1 is 100 cents. Let's see how many different ways you guys can make $1 at home.